Hi, I'm Caroline Bateman. I'm going to show you how to use text-to-speech on an Apple Mac. Personally, I don't use a Mac, but I have to admit their accessibility features are excellent. But then again, they do cost a lot more than the equivalent Microsoft or Chrome devices. Once you've enabled text-to-speech on a Mac, you can use it on any text at all. Email, web pages, PDF, absolutely anything. Whereas on my Microsoft laptop, I have to use separate solutions for web pages and another for PDFs. Doing so isn't difficult, but text-to-speech on a Mac is far more uniform and streamlined. I've had to use my daughter's machine to record this video, as I'm sad to say that despite me using my laptop daily for work, my daughter has a more expensive machine. Something's wrong there. So here goes. To show text-to-speech on a Mac, I've opened a web page. I've selected BBC Bite-Size, as this is a typical website that students need to read. And I've highlighted the information that I would like to have read aloud. And once highlighted, I press Ctrl and S.
What is photosynthesis? Animals need to eat food to get their energy, but green plants
and then Ctrl and S again to pause the recording. And now I'm going to show you how I switch that on in settings. So I go into System Preferences and then into Accessibility. Within Accessibility, I'm going to go to Speech. And I can pick the voice, so I'm going to change the voice to be Daniel. I can pick the speed, so I can listen.
Hello, my name is Daniel.
Or I can think, well, I'd like that quicker. I personally like my text-to-speech quick because I don't want it to slow me down, but younger students might want to have it slow to make sure that they understand what's being said.
Hello, my name is Daniel.
That's better for me. These are announcements. I personally am not very keen on them, but they'll tell you if something needs to be done rather than you having to look for a message. Here you can decide which keys you want to start the speak text process. Delivered is Ctrl and S, which makes sense to me because Ctrl and S for speak. So we'll go back now to Safari and I'll press exactly the same, Ctrl and S.
What is photosynthesis? Animals need to eat food to get their energy, but green plants and algae.
So we see I've changed the voice and the speed of the voice, and it's as simple as that. And I happen to have shown you this using Safari, a page on the internet, but it would work on anything, on an email, on a PDF, anything at all, pages, Word, anything that you need reading on a Mac will be read aloud using this functionality. In summary, accessibility features on the Mac are great in general. Text-to-speech is extremely powerful as you only have to switch it on once and it works on anything you need to read on the device. While Mac's accessibility features are superior, I don't think that necessarily means you should buy one for a child to take into school. I'm often amazed by seeing young children carrying expensive Macs around in their book bags. I believe that the same functionality can be obtained in much cheaper, more robust devices that are far less expensive for families to buy. I hope you found this video useful. Please share it with anyone you know who could benefit and check out our other videos. I'd be very grateful if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, as doing so really helps others find the information. If you hit the bell button once you've subscribed, you'll be notified when I create new videos. Let's work together to help all learners achieve.